I didn't fucking fly right into the fucking tree.
Damn. What is going on, guys? Today, not the normal place to start the video, but today we have a pretty exciting video. I mean, pretty exciting. I think it's pretty cool. It's gonna be a pretty cool video, I hope. But as y'all can see all the way over there, that is downtown, Midtown. And we have a straight pipe Mustang. And so if you put one and one together, you know what we're gonna go do? That over there, yes. But we are gonna be taking my 2018 straight pipe Mustang through Midtown. I'm pretty sure right now it's not busy or there is people at all. So I think it should be pretty interesting. So let's get to it. Let's go. Oh, damn, guys. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. Oh. Yo, this guy just... Whoa. Oh, man. Guys, this guy just freaking hit this. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. You guys okay?
Yeah, I'm alright, bro.
Oh man, I seen it. I seen all of it behind my window. Oh damn, dude.
I shouldn't have turned that corner like that.
Oh man.
It's wet.
Oh shoot. Dude, when I saw your car spinning, I was like, oh, I hope he can like
I almost
control
had
it.
it.
Yeah, you almost did, but oh damn. That's crazy, dude. Oh, damn.
You alright, Adam?
You guys both okay though?
Yeah.
Ah, damn.
The phone's on.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it makes me want to cry, bro.
Damn, this thing is busted, guys. Holy shit. Damn. Look at this, guys. Oh.
Fuck, that sucks. Are you okay? Okay.
Had seatbelts on.
That's good. That's a good thing.
The door barely opened.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
My car is totaled right now. I need a tow.
Move the car over here.
Shit, I'm not sure of that right there. 3882.
We literally,
Yeah, those
I was
tires
going
are so
straight,
good, too.
going straight this way. He was in my rear mirror. He takes a right. He goes this way. He gets it back, and then,
No.
oh man,
What was that?
that is.
Of it, because they're going to give me a settlement and I'm going to go get another one of some kind, right?
Mhm.
But then what am I going to do with all these parts off this motherfucker? How the fuck am I going to be able to get them off there and keep them?
Well, once it gets towed and they put it in
It's
the
going to start accruing funds in a fucking
impound, they're like, you can't take nothing off of it. Anything that's in the car stays in the car.
thing. Yeah, the kicker, the fucking amps,
Everything.
all that shit. What the fuck do I do?
Take them out now.
Well, what do you mean I can't get it out?
They're not gonna let you get anything off of the car.
Well, then what the fuck? Unless I take the whole car out? I can take it. It's doomed, bro. I don't have nowhere, because this is too fucked up. I can't fucking leave it like this here. I mean, I can't take it somewhere, and I can't take it to my apartments like this and park it there in the parking lot. There's no way they'll go for that. I can't park it on the street like this. If it wasn't this bad, if I didn't fucking fly right into the fucking tree, I had it almost pulled out and then it went the other way.
Gosh, man, guys, that freaking dude, that's crazy. That sucks. Luckily that both of them are okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go park. I'm gonna go ahead and go park at a spot. I'll let you guys know what's going on. Guys, that was freaking crazy. You guys don't understand how crazy that was. God, dude, I really wish that didn't happen to that guy, but man, that freaking sucks. So basically we come to basically we're somewhere over there in Midtown, and you could either go straight or you could take a right. I decided to go straight. I could see him in my rear mirror. I literally see him right there in my rear mirror. He's behind me, and I noticed that, like, you know, it's kind of like a sports car-ish. So whatever, I just keep going straight. Like, I'm recording. The whole point of this video was to record, like, going with my Mustang through Midtown, and like none of that happening. Literally was going straight, so I decided to go straight. He takes a right, so I guess he said that he barely like hit the gas, and I saw it through my rear mirror. I know he did not like step on the gas, like gas it. So he barely hit it, and then Ultima, okay, really had to bug. But so he takes a right, I guess he gasses it a little bit, and he starts to go this way. So when he's taking the right, he steps on it right there, and his car starts to go this way facing another way, and then he tries to catch it, and he goes back that way, and he goes straight into a tree. And like, I literally hop out of my car, I literally get out, and I'm just like, you know, I ask him, I'm like, hey, like, is everybody okay? And luckily everybody was okay, nothing happened, but the car was totaled. Literally, dude, he slammed into that tree so hard, this whole thing was just done. You guys can see by the footage, but literally it sucks, man. It literally felt like if that was probably like my car, just looking at it. And it kind of had like a same color to my car. It was like a burgundy, like a red. And just to see it like that, man, it sucks, dude. The guy was pretty upset, you know. But it's bad out here right now. It's super rainy, and he had summer tires on, just like how I did. But man, like, his tires weren't even wasted at all. They literally were good, and he still, like, it's just so crazy how I saw everything. Good thing is that they're okay though, so that's the good part. But, you know, truly I'm sorry for that guy in his car. His car was in super good condition from the interior to the outside too. So man, this isn't even what I was gonna record today, guys. Like, I literally wasn't even gonna record none of that. Like, it freaking sucks. But if you guys enjoyed the little clips of the video of the car going through Midtown, it was fun. It was super fun. But if you guys are still tuning in, I truly appreciate you guys. Make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, comment anything you guys want to see, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.